Hey, what's up? This is Jared with the App Podcast. Today we're going to take a look at MemoryInfo, which helps you understand what's going on with your iPhone. Now, as you can see right here, it's giving us a little report back on the memory, the RAM memory in the phone. It's letting us know what processes are going on inside the phone, and a description if it has it, and then it's showing our battery info as well. And your battery status is always in a state of discharging unless it's plugged into the wall, because technically when a battery is being used, it is discharging. So as you can see, we've got about 10 megabytes of free memory. I was using this app earlier and I actually only had 4 megabytes of memory, so we'll probably still have the same effect as soon as I run the free memory function, but it won't be as big of a drastic. I was opening a bunch of apps trying to get the RAM to get used up and get back down to like 4 megabytes, so couldn't get it all the way back down. So one of the big issues with these phones is that they kind of, just like any computer, once you open a bunch of apps and do a lot of things, the RAM gets kind of clogged up and then eventually you have to restart your computer. So a lot of us have had to do that with our iPhones, and I've even told a lot of you in emails and also even in some of these reviews that if you have problems with an app, restart your phone, come back and use it again. So this app is something that will save you a lot of time if you play games and do stuff on the phone that use a lot of resources and tend to not free them up after they're done. So we've got about 9 megabytes of free memory, so let's go ahead and run this free memory function right here. Now it's going to take a second to go ahead and free all the memory, and then it's going to close the app and take us back to our dashboard. So looks like it's about ready to do that. Oh, maybe not. So depending on how many times you run this app, I've found that it runs better when it's the first time that you've ran it since you've restarted. The first time that I ran it, it restarted just as quickly as it did right now. The second time I actually had to hit the top button on my phone. Oh, look at that, 23.91 megabytes of free memory. That's amazing. So that is something that you would have to restart the phone for. So back to my original thought, if for some odd reason after it resets you have a completely black screen, just hit the top button on your iPhone and it will, it'll reset that. So I haven't had an issue where this app has frozen up my phone and I've had to restart it. So I think this app is very well put together. And it's one of those apps that I say you need to have on your iPhone if you use your iPhone a lot. If you're opening up a lot of apps and you often have issues with those apps freezing and stuff on you, this is an app that you need. Until Apple builds in something, whether it is a better OS, I shouldn't say that, a better OS that optimizes use of its RAM better, or some sort of free memory function. This is your only option here, as opposed to restarting your phone every time. So check out MemoryInfo. It's a good app. And if you want to check out one of our sponsors, GoDaddy.com is our sponsor, and you can save 10% off your entire order of anything on their store, whether it be a .com domain name, some web hosting, a secure certificate. Save 10% by using the coupon code iPhone when you check out. Take care, and we'll see you next time.